Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video, I am so excited because I am showing off 5 items that I made for under $35. And I'm pretty excited for how far I got my yarn to go, and I kind of surprised my own self. Now, I went online and I checked out this yarn at a regular price. Now I got mine on sale. So with the yarn being regular price, it will probably cost around $60 if you get no sale at all and you just order the yarn. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Let's see. Okay, so I used about 2,000 yards for these 5 items. And let's see. Okay, here are my yarn bands, and here is what I have left. So this Nicole Studio is what I made all this cream stuff in. Well, this Nicole Studio, classic. I went online and I can't find this anymore, but I did pay about probably $2.99 for this. And so Craft Smart at Michael's has some yarn that I think is pretty similar to this yarn, and I think it's Ever Smart could be it, or Craft Smart, one of the two. But for this amount of yardage, let's see, this happens to be a light brown, but it's 372 yards, and I did not use all of it. So like I said, this is probably around $3.49 without being on sale. All right, this right here, the speckled yarn, this is Vanna's Choice, and it runs about $4.39 a skein, and for 12 skeins I paid $30, $29.99. I happened to get mine in a Mary Maxim Afghan kit, and that's what they sent me, and so I paid $29.99. Now, all of this is not including sales tax and not including shipping. You know, that's always extra no matter what you do. And sometimes you can get free shipping. And if you catch this yarn on sale at your local store, you know, you don't even have to buy shipping or pay for shipping. You just pay for the sales tax. Okay, so basically I used a little under 2,000 yards for all of these 5 projects. And oh yeah, and I was going to tell you that this yarn right here is $4.39 a skein. Where is it at? See if you can get a better front. This Vanna's Choice is about $4.39 a skein, but I found it on Walmart online for $8.53 and Amazon $7.95. But when I went to the Line Brand website, it was $4.39. So, and they had this color. This color is called Obsidian. And like I said, I used 12 of these for this whole project. And this is a medium 4-weight yarn. So, and this was a 4-weight yarn. So if you want to make these items, I'm going to leave links below of all the places where, well, 2 of them I just kind of did myself. The rest of them I do have patterns for. But so for 2,000 yards, a medium 4-weight, you can make any of this in your own medium 4-weight that you choose to use. And I think this is great Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, last minute gifts. If you want to use up your stash, let's say you bought a bunch of colors because they were on sale one time and they've just been sitting there. Well, take a couple of them and make some of these items. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Let's see, make sure I read all of it. It's 4-weight yarn. It is 145 yards in this. So 145 yards times 12. And then this one here, like I said, was 372. All right, I'm so excited to show you guys what I made. First of all, let's go ahead and just show you what I've got on, right? This is the Surella pattern right here. Now, I am going to put buttons on this. I did put pockets on mine, and I did the rib edging, but I do plan on putting buttons on it. I went through all my buttons, and I just couldn't find any buttons that would work. So I guess I'm going to have to buy me some, like some wooden buttons. Okay, so that's the first thing. The other thing, I did show this in one of my other videos. I made a poncho with it. This is the Bag O' Day poncho, and it's called the Lacy Mint poncho. And this is it. At first, I did not like it. I felt like it was too heavy. But since I've been wearing it and taking photos with it and stuff, I'm like, you know, this isn't bad at all. So I'm going to be wearing that for, you know, to get me through the rest of the winter. I will be wearing that. I like it. You know, I just didn't like it at first, but I've changed my mind. Okay, so the other thing is I made a Divine hat, and this is not my pattern. And this is, I don't know. I'll try and find the pattern. It was a tutorial online, but I did make changes to it because theirs just came out way too big. I do know that I used one size hook up here, and then I used a smaller hook for the brim. But yeah, so there's the Divine hat. And then I made a scarf, and I even put some tassels on it. Look at that. There's even enough to do some tassels. There we go. I just love this speckled look. Just love it. Okay, so then the last thing is, I have to have the jacket off to do it, but I made some fingerless gloves. My first pair. And I do plan on putting a button on them. Like I said, I've got to buy some buttons. Let's see. Try this on so you can see what I'm talking about. Now this is the size medium. So there it is. I made my first fingerless glove. Now my next thing that I want to learn to do is to make a pair of mittens. So that's on my to-do list. I've learned how to do. Okay, so where I found the pattern for these fingerless gloves. It's called Diamonds and Gems Fingerless Gloves. And it actually comes with some boot cuffs in the same pattern. So obviously I'm out of yarn now. I guess I could done them in this and just maybe did a single crochet around the top in the black. Who knows? But I didn't. So anyway, and it's by Marie Bittner from pattern-paradise.com. It was a free pattern. This is Sorella's, called the Everyday Crochet Cardigan, free pattern. Divine hat, you can find it on YouTube. Just type in how to crochet the Divine hat, free tutorial. Last but not least, this here twisted headband. This was, I just threw it together myself as well. I did write notes so that I could tell you how I did that. For the headband, what I did on this is I did 54 foundation half double crochets, and I did rows 2, 3, and 4, 54 back post double crochet, and then I did 54 half double crochet. And I lay them, you lay it down flat, the whole thing, and then when you bring them up together, you'll bring the two ends up together like this, and then you do them like this. They're like this. And then you fold them in like this, and it looks like that. And then you just stitch through all 4 layers. So it's kind of like they're sandwiched in. And that makes this twist right here. Okay, so for the scarf, what I did with that is I did 18 foundation half double crochets, or you can chain 19 and do 18 half double crochets. Round 2, I chain 1, turned, did 18 more half double crochets. Then I changed to the black. And row 3, I did row 3 through 90. No, wait a minute. Row 3, I did 18 double crochets. Row 4 through 98, I did 1 double crochet and then 16 back loop double crochets and then 1 double crochet on the end. And I did that for 98 rows, and then I finished it off with 2 half double crochet rows, and then I just cut me some yarn to make the tassels. I did not measure them or anything like that. I just tried to save as much yarn as I could, so the tassels aren't as thick as they could be, because, you know, I didn't have that much yarn left, but I had enough to make it look presentable and look nice. So okay, there you are. If you got any questions, just leave me a comment in the comment section, or you can email me. My email is in the description box below. And I just think that these are some really good, great gift ideas, and help you go through your yarn that you haven't used in a while, and just throw some stuff together and make you some stuff. Have fun. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.